Hello friends, I'm Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, see today we are going to draw a village scenery. Friends, see when you will draw the lady, before starting the lady, it's better we can divide the page into 4 equal pieces. Okay, then it will be easy to draw the composition. Okay, so friends, see at first we have to complete this lady step by step. See the process and you have to draw the lady first. Okay, at first we have to complete the upper portion properly, and when you draw the upper portion, at that time we have to follow the particular place. I mean the first box, when we have started the half face, and when we will go to the lower part, then see the particular place. I mean see the next box, see the next box properly, and when you will draw the lady, at that time we have to follow the gap properly. Okay friends, see here I am doing this one with direct black sketch pen. So when you will draw the drawing, it's better you can use pencil. Okay, after using pencil, if you want to do or if you want to start watercolor, then don't use black sketch pen, and if you want to start pastel color, then you can use black sketch pen, or without black sketch pen also you can start the pastel color. Okay, now friends, see almost our first figure is completed. Now friends, we'll go to the second figure. When you will start the second figure, here we have to find out the particular size. See the size, I mean from where we should start the second figure and where we'll end the second figure. So friends, see here I am showing the perspective. Friends, see at first we have to complete the second figure, and when you will draw second figure, at that time just we have to find out their size. Both sides are not same. Okay, after completing this one, we can go or we can draw the background. See here also we have to apply the perspective. Okay, so friends, see almost our village scenery is completed. Okay, and friends, if you want to change the background, you can, but at first you have to draw this one like me. Okay, and friends, I told so many times that if you need any help, you can contact with us. Okay, and I request you that if you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends, your relatives. Okay friends, bye.